Hello friends, welcome to Easy English Jabalpur channel. I am going to introduce a grammar topic with all of you today that is called two-step questions. Two-step questions are asked in day-to-day communication when we talk to someone or when we communicate with someone. So it is a combination of two questions together. The first one introduces the topic, the second one makes it more specific. For example, do you like the building? Like, I mean, do you like the structure? The second one, do you miss your home? I mean, do you miss your mother's cooking? So in these both examples, the first one introduces the topic and the second one makes it more specific. So these are the example of two-step questions. In this type of examples, the listener only listens to the second one and answers the second question. Now let's talk about the categories of two-step questions. The first one is two-step yes-no question. The two-step yes-no question are in the form of direct, more direct or less direct. Let's see less direct first. Less direct is, are you driving to college tomorrow? Yes. Could I have a lift with you? Sure. Now let's see the more direct category. If you are driving to college tomorrow, could I have a lift with you? It is more direct. It is called the first category. It is called two-step questions or yes-no questions. The second one is pre-questions. Pre-step two questions. Example, we can say, do you mind if I ask you a question? Do you like non-veg? No. Let's take another example. Why did you do you mind if I ask you a question about your last job? Why did you leave it? So these are the category of pre-set of questions or pre-questions in two-step questions. In this, the first one initiates the topic and the second one makes it more clear. Now let's talk about the third category of two-step questions, that is two-step questions suggesting an answer. In this type of questions, a speaker asks the question and he confirms the answer also on his own. For example, where are you from? Manchester? Or are you leaving to college tomorrow at 8? So here in this type of category, we are giving the options of answers to the listener. So these are the three categories of two-step questions. Two-step yes-no question, two-step pre-question, two-steps questions suggesting an answer. So let's have a recap once more. Two-step questions are used in the combination of two questions together. The first one is like, do you like the building? I mean, do you like the color or structure, you can say. The first category of two-step questions is yes-no question. Are you driving to college tomorrow? Yes. Could you give me a lift? Yeah, sure. The second one is two-step questions, pre-questions. May I ask you a question about your last job? Why did you leave it? The third category is suggesting an answer. Where are you from? India? Yes, I am from India. So friends, I hope you have understood the concept of two-step questions. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe our channel to get more such information on English language. Have a nice day and do take good care of yourselves.